We are gonna make a sweet treat
Uh-huh.
that has no artificial flavors
Yep.
and no food dyes.
Yep.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. Yeah, I'm gonna copy her a lot of times.
I don't know who this kid is.
Mariko.
Put some coconut oil,
Coconut oil.
microwave.
Yes,
And
guys.
just stir it every 30 seconds.
We do it for 3 minutes.
No, you stir it every 30 seconds
See?
until it's melted.
But look.
Yeah, but I put 3 minutes, so I'm gonna stir it every 30 seconds until it's melted. If that's done before 3 minutes, then we stop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like pretzel?
Well, it's gonna have pretzel, apple, nuts.
Oh. Taste would be yummy. What kind of apple?
Yeah.
That's Ellie, the baby out of all of us. I'm not baby. Oh, that looks yummy, guys.
Okay, no. You can have a chocolate chip one. And now we cut an apple. We cut apple slices.
Mm-hmm.
Put the apples
Kind of like this.
all over the concoction. That's why I saved the recipe. This is what it looks like. We're gonna move it aside.
Yeah.
All right, some almonds. That's how I cut them. You can do a little more at a time, like big. Last but not least, if you want artificial flavor free. Hold on, I messed that up. Last but not least, if you want artificial flavor free.
She's weird.
Last but not least, if you want artificial flavor and color free caramels, this is a good brand.
I told you I'd eat everything, and she's gonna give me one.
We're gonna melt them. I'm just gonna use the same bowl that the chocolate was in because I'm lazy.
Caramels?
Put them in a bowl.
I eat everything. I told you guys, and when it's dinner, I used to. Blah, blah, blah. No, how it came out of the package.
Ooh, that's a blob.
A blob.
All right. Now this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Now we put it in the oven. Now we put it in the freezer for maybe 20 minutes. Get out of the freezer. There we go. That is what it looks like. Not on Oh, oh, good. Messy, but good. Try it.